Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. In this video I'm going to show you some of the tips and tricks with which we can improve the battery life if you're using an iPhone. Specifically for this video I'm using this iPhone XR which I have with me right here. So I'm using iPhone XR with iOS 13 update. Let me show you, this is an official update. So if I go to the settings and if I tap about, you can see it's an iPhone XR and I'm using iPhone 13.4.1 update. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the tips and tricks with which you can improve the battery life. Also, rather I would say you can save up some battery life with these tips and tricks. So if you're using an iPhone or if you have recently upgraded to iPhone 13.4.1, then don't miss the video and watch this video till the end. But before that, if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and also if you happen to enjoy this kind of videos, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I was saying we would be seeing here in this video how we can improve the battery life on our iPhone. So here in this case, let me go to the settings. Let me first show you how we can see which of the applications are using most of the battery life. So if we go to the battery section, as you can see, it's generating the battery health report, and if you go down you can see that these are the applications, top applications from top to bottom. So these are the applications using most of your battery life. So as you can see, in my case YouTube is using 46% and WhatsApp 11% and Spotify 9%. So as you can see, these are the activities, and if I tap here it will also show you the battery usage. So for this is for last 24 hours. So YouTube screen on time is 1 hour 56 minutes and WhatsApp 9 minutes, Spotify 5 minutes, and so on. So here you can analyze which of the applications are mostly using the battery life and how you can cut down on the application usage. So seeing this list, you can decide yourself which of the applications that are using most of the battery life. Now one more thing I would suggest, once you are in the battery settings, let me show you again. If you go to battery settings, go here, battery health, make sure this optimized battery charging section is on. Basically what this does is, if you enable this option, this will actually slow down the charging process once the charging cycle reach 80%. So this will further optimize your battery cycle. And also note this battery capacity. So when I bought this phone it was like 99 or 100%. Now after using it for more than a year it has become 92%. Also note your peak performance capability. In my case it supports the normal peak performance, but in your case if the maximum capacity is down to 70 or 50 or 60%, it might not support the peak performance capability. So while we are analyzing the battery and talking about how to improve the battery life on iPhone, these are the things that you should consider. Now let me show you some of the tips and tricks, rather some of the setting tweaks through which you can improve the battery life. So let me first go to this privacy and location service. As you can see, there are things which are turned on. As you can see, this location service, and these are the list of application are using, in my case, location always. So if you notice, these are the application that are using the location services. Now if you go to a specific application, and you can see that you can choose this application never to use the location, or all these options are available. So you can customize that which of the applications do not need the location services always to be turned on. So here is one tip through which you can improve a significant amount of battery life. Now let me go back, let me show you the other tips as well. So once you are in this privacy, go down and click on this analytics improvements. So once you click here, you could see that they share iPhone and watch analytics. So as you can see, this here in my case it is turned on. If you want your battery life to be improved, you can go ahead and turn this off. And also improve CD and direction, share app with developers. If you disable this option, it will help you to improve the battery life. So let me go back, let me show you some of the more tips through which you can save up a lot of battery life. So now if you go to the general and if you go to this background app refresh, as you can see, these are all the list of application which gets refreshed, their content when you're not using those applications. As you can see, there are a lot of background applications that are running in the background, and these content of this application is getting refreshed while your phone is connected with Wi-Fi and cellular data network. So what you can do to improve your battery life, come to this page and disable the list of applications that you don't want their content to be refreshed while your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular network. So this tip will help you hugely improve your battery life. So go to the general background app refresh, and here you can see the list of applications which are being refreshed in the background, although if you're not using them. So make sure go through the list and make sure to disable all those applications that you don't want their content to be refreshed over and over again. So these were some of the tips and tricks on the settings or tweaks through which you could improve your battery life. Also make sure that you are going through your battery cycle report daily or monthly, weekly once, so you are aware about which of the applications are using your battery life most. So then again, this is an iPhone 10R using iOS 13.4.1. You can go ahead and check other videos as well that I have made on iOS 13.4.1. This video was specifically made to help you guys to improve the battery life if you're using an iPhone. So then again, that's it for this video. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you subscribe. Then again, with that being said, you guys have a good day. Bye bye.